I'm gonna show you how to create a Crunchyroll account in 2025. So to get started, you have to open crunchyroll.com first and then go to click on this button right here. And then from there you can create an account right here with free or premium. You will be redirected to a page where you need to input your details such as email and then your password. And then from here select your email and then select also a password that you want. You can auto generate a password or you can select your own password. And right after there, when you can also check or uncheck if you want news or any the updates on crunchyroll.com. And once you're done, just have to click on create account. And then from there you will be now redirected to their homepage because you already created the account. And then from there, all you need to do is just verify your account. So just to use all of the features on Crunchyroll. So if you click on that, there will be a verification link sent to your email. So once you go into your email and click on the verification link or address, and then once you are verified, you are now completely done. And that's it. That's how you create a Crunchyroll account in 2025.